What's going on, guys? Nick here with FS Detail. Wanted to talk to you guys about the clay mitt from the last coat. One side is microfiber, the other side is the clay solution. Microfiber side is for actually washing the vehicle with a wash bucket like you got here. Then the clay side is for actually removing the contaminants. If you're going to touch the clay side to paint, make sure you have a fully lubricated surface, being the soap, so that you don't mar and scratch the surface. If you drop this thing, you just sheerly rinse it off with your hose or your pressure washer, good to go, not like a traditional clay bar where you have to throw it in the garbage. So, cool thing about this. So you basically have two methods. You can use the last soap here in a wash bucket. So you would take it and you pour about 1 to 3 ounces in your bucket, kind of depending on how much lubrication you want and how much water you're going to be using. Everybody's a little bit different there. Or the other option you have is when you get down to the end of your bottle of soap, or bottle that you probably already have sitting around that you don't know what to do with because there's like not enough to wash a car. You can take this, put a little bit of water in here, and make your own clay solution. So it's pretty easy. I'll actually just fill this bottle all the way up to the top. That would be plenty. And then you're just going to stick a 16-ounce sprayer in there, and you have a clay solution ready to go. So you would then spray it onto your mitt, get the mitt all lubricated, and then you go to your vehicle, spray the surface, which I'm going to show you that here in just 1 second. So the next thing, if you're using the wash bucket method, you're going to take your hose or your pressure washer, fill the bucket up. Now again, 1 to 3 ounces depending on how much water you're using. I'm going to use about 1 gallon to 2 gallons. You can even see how much suds are breathing in there. Okay, so now that we have the surface all washed and free of any dirt and debris, we only have what is the contamination left in the paint, and that's going to be what feels like sandpaper, if you will, or a very just rough feel in general across the paint. So if you're going to use the spray bottle method, it's just going to be like clay lubricant. You're going to sheerly spray it right onto the panel. Get your clay mitt, you're going to use the clay side, and you're just going to rub it across. And you can do a hashtagging effect that will ensure that you get all the area. Now if you're going to be doing a wash bucket method here like this, you're going to have it full of your soap. You can dip this in here. If you even have another wash mitt, you can pre-lubricate the surface with it, or this is what the wash side is for. You can get your surface nice and lubricated, then you're going to flip to the clay side. Once again, you're just going to hashtag the surface, vertical, horizontal motions here, and then you'll have everything decontaminated and ready to apply the last coat, or the ceramic 9H that they have. So after that, you'll feel how smooth the surface is. It will no longer feel gritty and that kind of thing, and that will give the cleanest and best possible chance for the product to bond and give the longevity of the sealant on the surface. So there you guys go. And then when you're done doing all this, you're just going to rinse it right off, dry the vehicle like you would normally, and apply your sealant, being the last coat or the ceramic 9H. So